Hello everyone. Today we will start Unit 7 Fractions, Exercise 7.1. First question is write the fraction representing the shaded portion. We will count here shaded portion. How will we write? We will write total parts as denominator and shaded portion as numerator. In first part, there are total, this figure is divided in 4 equal parts. Total number of parts are 4 and shaded 2. In second part, given figure is divided into 9 equal parts, means total parts 9, shaded 8. In third part, here are 8 balls and how many are shaded? Only 4. So we will write 4 upon 8. In fourth part, this figure is divided in 4 equal parts, means total number of parts 4 and shaded only 1. In fifth part, this figure is divided in 7 equal parts, means total number of parts 7 and shaded only and only 3. In next sixth part, in this figure, here are 12 flowers. And how many are shaded? Only 3. So, shaded portion will be written as numerator. Here, in this rectangle, there are 10 pencils and all are shaded. So, our fraction will be 10 upon 10. In next part, this figure is divided into 9 parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Total 9 rectangles. How many are shaded? 4. In ninth part. In ninth part, there is a flower and in this flower 4 leaves are shaded and total 8 petals and 4 are shaded. In 10th number part, this figure is divided in 2 equal parts and one part is shaded, one is not. So we can say this figure is half shaded. Now we will do question number 2. Question number 2 is color the part according to the given fraction. In first part, this circle is divided into 6 equal parts. This circle is divided into 6 equal parts. It say to shade one part. So we will shade any one part from it. In second part, the given figure, a big triangle is divided into 4 small triangles and it say to shade only one. We will shade any one triangle from it. Similarly, the rectangle is divided into 3 equal parts and it say to shade only one. We will shade any one part. In fourth part, it say from 4 of the parts you will shade only 3 parts. So we will shade only 3 parts from 4. In next, the big rectangle is divided in 9 equal parts. It say to us to shade 4 parts only. So we will shade only 4 parts. I hope you all have understood the question number 2. Yes, students, now we will start question number 3. Identify the error, if any. We are observing in this figure. Here is written, this is half. We are observing the figure is not divided in two equal parts. This is the main error here. In next figure, it say in the question, this is 1 by 4. 1 by 4 means this figure should have 4 parts and one is shaded. But this figure is divided in, this figure is not divided into equal parts. Means 2 parts are big and 2 are small. This is the main error here. In next part, again here is written 3 upon 4 means 3 parts are shaded out of 4. But this figure is not divided into equal parts. This is the main error.